Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete all saved posts on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to delete all the saved posts on Facebook, now to delete them what you have to do is just simply open up your Facebook and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, from your profile page here you will find saved option. So just scroll down and you will find save. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on save you will find all the saved posts over here. So currently I don't have any, so what I'll do is just simply go and quickly add a post. So I'll just simply go ahead and then save it. Now in order to save it, just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the bottom right, and you will find save reels option. So if it posts, then you will find save post option. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then save it. After saving it, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right and then tap on saved, and you will find your saved post over here. Now to remove it, just tap on the three dotted icon which is beside that saved post, and after tapping on that, now you will find unsave option. Just tap on it and now you have successfully unsaved it. So in this way you can just simply delete all the saved posts on Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to delete all the saved posts on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.